Utah's Department of Health and Human Services is gearing up to propose a work requirement for people on Medicaid. ABC4's Jordan Tracy has more on the proposal and the public input the department is hearing now. Hi, Jordan.
Hey, Brian. So as of April of this year, nearly 355,000 Utahns are enrolled in Medicaid. Now, that number could potentially decrease and be impacted if this requirement would be added. Now, the state wanted to do this back in 2020, but it was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Critics say that they don't believe the state should make it harder for people to get care.
The community engagement requirement that is on tap to come back requires members to report work-related activities in order to stay eligible.
This proposal is meant to help encourage able-bodied people to continue working so that Medicaid can focus on those who are the most needy.
There are several exceptions to the rule to help those unable to work, but one of them includes working 30 hours a week or having an income that is more than 30 hours a week on minimum wage. But critics say this just makes it harder for people who meet the requirements to get the care they need.
I know people who really deserved and would qualify under those exceptions, but haven't been able to navigate it. And adding more obstacles to any of these families is really going to make it more difficult, and I'm really worried about that.
DHHS held public meetings to hear these concerns and take them into account, but intend to take the proposal to lawmakers and could implement it by 2027.
That's why we really want to make sure that we understand everybody's perspective so that as we're formulating the plan moving forward, we can make sure that we're treating everybody with as much compassion as possible while still looking toward helping people who can be self-sufficient to achieve that.
Now, the state estimates that 89.5% of those members of Medicaid currently would qualify for at least one of the exceptions in this rule. Now, public comment is open until May 22nd. You can add your public comment to the list of others by going to medicaid.ut.gov. Reporting live in Salt Lake City, Jordan Tracy, ABC4 News.